a diamond can be born out of busted coal. There ain't a word that I can find to describe her touch. I can't deny that I would follow her through flame and flood. I got a ticket for a bus leaving New Orleans. I'll say a prayer that every single light turns green. I'll buy a cheap bouquet from the flower shop and hope she waits for me at the final stop. Oh, she will. I'm going back to Indiana now to see my baby in her evening gown. And even if the world is burning down, I'm going back to Indiana now. I've played guitar each night for the finest kind. I've left a whole lot of chance on the road behind. I don't believe in fate, I call it destiny. And if I'm lucky yet, she'll keep a place for me. Oh, she will. I'm going back to Indiana now to see my baby in her evening gown. And even if the world is burning down, I'm going back to Indiana now. I got a photo of her standing near an orange tree. I keep it hidden in my pocket with a rosary. I told the driver of the bus that he had a deal, and by the morning I'll be with her in the golden fields. I'm going back to Indiana now to see my baby in her evening gown. And even if the world is burning down, I'm going back to Indiana. I said I'm going